Rivers are the arteries of our planet. They transport fresh water and contribute to the health of ecosystems and the well-being of human communities. According to the United States Army Corps of Engineers National Inventory of Dams, there are over 80,000 dams 3 feet or higher in the United States alone. This leaves less than 18% of the North American rivers to be free-flowing. A free-flowing river is a river that flows undisturbed from its source to its mouth, at either the confluence with a large river, inland sea, or at the coast. We are lucky to have one of these free-flowing rivers right here within Steamboat Springs, the Yampa River. Free-flowing rivers are an important part of our entire ecosystem and should play a role in the restoration of our planet's health. Rivers create a natural water flow that provides essential fish and wildlife habitat. This natural flow helps contribute to pollution control by the transportation and removal of pollutants and excess nutrients. Allowing a river to flow free creates natural bank stabilization as well. Free-flowing rivers play a vital role in human culture and life. Rivers provide drinking water, hygiene, and agricultural necessities for humans. Fisheries also rely on free-flowing rivers to replenish the fish from year to year. They also provide important aesthetic and recreational opportunities for humans. The Yampa River and its tributaries provide an essential water source for our community through the Mount Werner Water District. Essentially, all of our water comes right from the local Yampa River. The Yampa River also plays a great role in our economy through recreation. Fly fishers, boaters, and tubers alike utilize the Yampa River. In 2011, we had a year of major snowfall. That led to a year of major flooding all along the Yampa River corridor. This event, although caused some disruption in the lives of people along the river, was an important and necessary natural event. The Yampa River was able to jump its bank, filling the surrounding floodplains for the spring season. This triggered the growth of new cottonwoods throughout the area, as well as important nutrient flow and fish hatching and nurseries along the river. This vital event for the river's ecosystem would not be possible if the Yampa was not free-flowing. The Yampa River is a highly sought-after river, but not just by outdoor enthusiasts. This river is a highly targeted area for proposed dam and diversion sites. There is a proposal to build a dam within the Yampa Canyon, a pristine area within Dinosaur National Monument. This dam would eliminate a widely used area of recreation, as well as flood and pollute an amazing canyon just west of Steamboat. Another proposal that targets the Yampa River is just north of Steamboat on the Elk River. This would create a diversion that cuts through the Zirkle Mountain Wilderness area and would ultimately affect the flows of the Yampa River. Rivers today are targeted by human alterations for 4 main reasons: flood control, irrigation, municipal water supply, and power production. However, the costs of building dams and diversions on rivers outweigh the benefits. Dams disrupt flows, degrade water quality, and block the movement of rivers' vital nutrients and sediment, destroy fish and wildlife habitat, and eliminate recreational opportunities. Reservoirs slow and broaden rivers, making them warmer, reducing water quality, and harboring destructive non-native species that disperse throughout the watershed and prey on and compete with native wildlife. The environmental, economic, and social footprint of a dam and reservoir may run the entire length of the river from the highest mountain peaks that feed the headwaters to the river's delta at the ocean. Recent research has shown that dams create more carbon dioxide emissions in the United States in a year than the burning of fossil fuels does in a year. There are many alternatives that can provide for the 4 needs that dams are trying to meet. As new technologies and management practices are successfully implemented, there are a growing number of alternatives to dams. Innovations to reduce water use and waste at the residential, commercial, and agricultural levels can eliminate the needs for thousands of water storage dams. Examples include low-use water fixtures at home, utilizing reclaimed water, replacing lawns with drought-tolerant landscaping, drip irrigation, and planting regionally appropriate crops. Groundwater recharge basins and expanded floodplains along rivers can store and filter water without huge evaporation losses experienced at reservoirs, while improving wetland habitat, recreation, and providing natural flood protection for communities. Energy-efficient technologies, adoption of low-impact energy resources such as solar, wind, tidal, wave, geothermal, and biomass are helping us transition to a cleaner energy future, allowing more dams to be retired. Dam removal and the protection of free-flowing rivers is one of the most important movements you can be a part of in order to help sustain the planet's ecosystem. Organizations like Friends of the Yampa, Rig to Flip, and American Rivers have been working together to protect this important resource that we have been gifted. There are countless other organizations on a national and international level that are working towards the same goal that you can become involved with. You can also get involved by writing opinion letters to your local paper or elected officials advocating for dam removal and river protection.